In this video guide, I'll tell you about searchwizard.com pop-ups. Basically, they are from the website search-wizard.com, and the pop-up promotes Search Wizard extension. The authors of this extension claim that Search Wizard offers a convenient web search. With it, you can easily search for your favorite topics, images, videos, and news directly from your browser's search bar. They say that this extension is free to download from the Chrome Web Store. Now, you need to be extremely careful when this offer comes up. Even though at first glance it looks like this service is decent, but still it additionally hijacks a lot of important browser settings. You have to be very careful when these pop-ups happen and not install any of such extensions. Otherwise, as I said, the search engine's settings will be hijacked. So I'm gonna add it to the Chrome intentionally to explain how to deactivate such pop-ups after they have started attacking your screen. Go to the browser menu, click on More Tools and Extensions. Now find this Search Wizard extension, disable and remove it. So additionally, I recommend that you perform scanning of your Mac with the Combo Cleaner antivirus, and you may get it on the website combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. Then download the program and install it, and once it is installed, start it through your Launchpad. Combo Cleaner Premium in my case, but in your case it will be in the trial mode. Once the program is downloaded and installed and the antivirus database is updated, click on the Start Combo Scan button to begin the detailed investigation of your Mac. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. As you see, the antivirus section reveals 19 threads found during the scanning, so you may go to this antivirus part and click on Review Results link. This will automatically reveal all threads found during the scanning, and you will be able to find the information about where exactly these threads are located. So afterwards, you may go to the Finder, locate each specific thread, open its location, and remove each thread one at a time. As we said, Combo Cleaner Trial works as a free scanner. It gives a detailed, full report about the location of threads, their quantity, and you may remove these threads manually by going to the specific thread location or automatically, however, with the premium license of the program only.